Hey, today I will show you how to mine crypto on any device, how to mine cryptocurrencies or any laptop or PC, whatever, and that's actually pretty simple to do. What I'm going to do, I just open an internet browser and let's search for unMineable. This is a very simple mining software which almost everybody can use, and I'm sure you'll learn it pretty quick. So once you reach this website, let's press on get started and let's download the latest version of unMiner. This will download pretty quick. It's 53 megabytes currently with the latest version. Alright, I will select it and let's open it right away. I will choose only for me, then press on next. It's alright to be installed in the C drive. It will be installed pretty quick. By the way, you can mine any cryptocurrency you'd like mining, and right now let's press on finish and it will run automatically. Let's have a look. I will continue. I will recommend you to read the terms and conditions, and after that you can start mining right away. From here you can choose a coin to mine, choose which one you'd like. As an example, let's choose, why not, the Dogecoin for the purpose of this tutorial. And you have to enter here an address. You will have to create a wallet. You can enter your Binance wallet, you can enter your crypto.com wallet. If you have an account on those platforms, just create a wallet. These platforms, as an example, will give you a free wallet, and I will paste here my Dogecoin wallet. Let's press on start. And if you also receive this error, it means unMineable needs some extra files in order to start. I will press on go to mining files, and these are all the files which I need. I will press on downloader. Alright, and let's press on start. They will be downloaded pretty quick. I will get back to you once they will be fully installed. Okay, I will press on close. All these are installed. Select close again and close. Let's press now on start and have a look. And right now it's working. unMineable started to mine Dogecoin on my laptop. So using unMineable, you can mine any cryptocurrency you like mining on your device, laptop or computer, and you can choose between a lot of coins from here. So I hope this tutorial helped you out to understand how to mine crypto on your computer, and I hope you have a great day.